5 Best Multi-Purpose Steam Cleaner Reviews. Number 1. Steam Mop Cleaner Therma Pro 10-in-1. If you are trying to find the absolute best multipurpose steam cleaner, then this Steam Mop Cleaner Therma Pro 10-in-1 is your best bet. It is quite hard to find a 10-in-1 steam mop. But this Therma Pro 10-in-1 is one fine specimen of that, and you can use it on any surface. This multipurpose handheld steam cleaner comes with an 11.5-ounce tank that delivers steam for about 20 minutes. It does an excellent job of destroying germs and dirt in the house and provides an all-round service to the users. It offers no questions replacement guarantee to the customers and also provides a 2-year limited warranty. Good for using at cleaning different surfaces like tiles, floors, and carpets. Steaming time up to 20 minutes. Great water tank capacity of 340 milliliters. Number 2. Dupre Neat Multi-Purpose Heavy-Duty Steamer. Although Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner is a small unit, it can give you the same cleaning experience as any other professional steam cleaner. This Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner is ideal for removing stains and dirt from your floors. But most importantly, it allows you to clean toys, furniture, appliances, and bathrooms. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner has a 6.5-foot hose that allows you to reach and clean anywhere in your home. This cleaner takes 7 minutes to heat up, and then you can clean up to 50 minutes with the 54-ounce capacity tank. Dupre Neat Steam Cleaner has an integrated funnel design to make the water tank easy to fill and free of waste. It comes with a retractable handle feature so that anyone can easily carry it. All of these accessories will help you to clean the numerous surfaces of your home. Number 3. Bissell 39N7A 39N71 Steam Shot Deluxe Hard Surface Cleaner, Light Green. Bissell Steam Shot is one of our top picks of the handheld multipurpose pressurized steam cleaner. Not only has it got some of the best accessories to tackle the toughest to clean spots in the home, but it is also going to save quite a few bucks for you. You can also opt for a 2 or 3 year protection plan for just a few extra dollars when you buy on Amazon. It just takes 30 seconds to hit up, and then you can start working with it. Although its water tank is slightly smaller, it works the same as other high-quality steam cleaners. It comes with all the necessary accessories for cleaning everything from the floor to ceiling to the tightest corners of the floor. It included accessory nozzle, extension hose, window squeegee and others. Number 4. McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Cleaner with 18 Accessories. The McCulloch MC1275 Heavy Duty Cleaner comes with a great amount of cleaning power that helps to remove tough stains. It includes a 64-ounce water tank, that's why there is no need to stop to refill it too frequently. You can work up to 2 hours continuously with this steam cleaner. Among the reasons to get this steam cleaner, the best one would be its large tank capacity and up to 40 minutes of steaming time. You will get some useful accessories with this cleaner that will help you to clean multiple surfaces in your home. There are 23 different accessories, including a floor mop, squeegee, and utility brush. Additional accessories are also included to help you clean grills, engines, tiles, appliances, different types of flooring, and much more. Number 5. Pure Steam Handheld Pressurized Steam Cleaner with 9-piece accessory. The Pure Steam is an excellent multi-purpose handheld steam cleaner that is built for maneuverability and performance. Its weight is just 2.2 pounds, that's why it can be called the featherweight, not even lightweight. If you are prone to strain your wrists and arms, this can work great for you as it is very lightweight. It is an ideal model for swift or light-duty house tasks. This multi-steam cleaner would be a good fit if you already have some other tools in your cleaning kit. It comes with 9 useful accessories, and you can use these accessories for various menial tasks around your house. Comes with plenty of accessories. Useful for the moderate home cleaning. Convenient for on-the-go steaming.